What's up? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I'm going to be giving you a review or a tour. Yeah, a review or a tour on what I'm going to be taking out this week, the charts, what I'm going to be looking at, what pair am I taking this week, what am my setup looking like, what am I going to be doing this week on the charts. But before we go into that, I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you who have been subscribing to my channel one way or the other, supporting me, liking me. I want to say a very big thank you to you all. I'm grateful, and I just want to say keep on doing your good work. Yes, this is our chart, and the first thing we have on the look here is USD and already I already have it up here already. I just have to clear it, so you just have to refresh everything all over again. I already analyze the chart and know what I'm going to enter on the trade. Let me take it back so you see that I've done that. Yeah, this is the chart. So I'm already analyze it. This was better. I also want to give a breakdown on how I came up with this idea. What is behind this particular pair? Here is the chip I'm taking a sell. Now, if you look at the charts, USD CHF, you will see that it's in a downtrend. But how do we know it's a downtrend? First of all, go to the higher time frame to identify the higher time frame trend. Most times I use the daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame, depending on what daily time frame you say. So on this pair right now, what you're going to be looking at, if you check properly, or if you see what's happening on this pair now, we'll see that we're in a downtrend here. We're in a downtrend here. So this is valid. This is a downtrend here. So what I'm going to be looking for on this pair is bearish opportunity. Along this trend line here, and daily tails bearish. Let's check what the 4 hours time frame is saying to us. Now, if you look at the 4 hours time frame now, if you study the market structure of the 4 hours time frame, you will see that on the 4 hours time frame here, there was a bullish movement here. There was a bullish movement here, and now this bullish movement at this place here now ended when there was a break of market structure here. So now this place now becomes break of market structure. And if you check, price have failed to take out this high here. Price have failed to take out this high, which also tells us that price failed to take out this high. This high here, which tells us that the 4 hours is also saying bearish or downtrend. And how do we confirm again if we are still in downtrend? After price, what we call price, after price broke out this structure here, causing a change of path to the downside, this low was created. This low was created, and this high was created. Now this was the previous high. Now this is the new high. When price broke out this low here, this other low here was created, and here becomes the new high. This gave me the narrative that you're on a downtrend on the 4 hours time frame. And most times, the 4 hours time frame is where I identify my supply and demand zone. Now, since we are in a downtrend, I'll be looking for supply zone. So, what is my recent supply zone? This level now is my supply zone. Because price is expecting supply zones, I'm breaking the lower structure. I'll be expecting price to take out this low next. And before price take out this low, price must touch the demand zone. Because before price take out this low here, it touched the supply zone here. So what I want price to do is price to touch this supply zone and then fall down. And now before we continue with this pair, I always like to take my entry on the 1 hour time frame. So what do? I switch down to the 1 hour time frame. I switch down to the 1 hour time frame and redefine my supply zone that I saw on the 4 hours time frame. And now if you look at this our supply zone now here, the valid order block I'm seeing here now is this area here. This area here is my point of interest. This you are going to enter for yourself. Hence, gave me this setup of shorting from this level here. I'm putting my stop loss just above this area here, and I honestly would not like to risk much here. I won't like to risk much here. The 1 is to 2 is to 1 is a very perfect entry for me. So what I'm looking out for, what I'm going to look out for now is for price to actually go to my supply zone here, and then bring down for me a new low. So that is it for USCHF. Now let's go to another thing that gave me another confluence again that gave me a very strong evidence is that now when I use my trend line on the 1 hour time frame and draw it like this. I don't like to have plenty lines on my chart, but this was another confluence that I had that made me feel like this is going to actually sell because support and resistance is one of the basic things in Forex, but yet one of the most important things in Forex as well too. It's very basic. Every trader who trades actually relies on support and resistance. Now me seeing a support and resistance at this zone here, I'm a bit convinced that likely or not likely price might sell from this angle, touching this resistance here, might sell down here. Although I didn't like to trade only support and resistance. So support and resistance is giving me more confidence to add to my chart. So that's it for this play, USD Yes, that's it for USD Thank you for watching. Appreciate. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.